Well, hello, all my fluid art friends. It's Doris at DF Designs. Well, welcome to my channel and welcome to another video. This one is because I didn't go live yesterday. So I'm going to demold one of these, mix a little resin and pour it in some other molds. But the main purpose of this video is comment below, and I don't know, Thursday night maybe or Friday I will do a short live. Well, I don't know if I'll do a live or if I'll do a recorded one, but I will let YouTube comment picker or something similar to that pick the winner out of the comments. So make a comment below this video. Very important if you want to be entered in the giveaway. Okay, so this is the bulldog that I made for one of my moderators, Jots Designs, who has a very, very cute bulldog named Lucy May. She has her own channel, by the way. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That is so cute. Let me bring it up so you can see the close-up. A little bit of the flash red came through, but that's okay, or peach red, I should say. Neon peach red. That's what. Excuse me. That's what it's called. But this is cute. I hope that she hangs this on her wall and feels proud of it. Anyway, all I got to do is just very lightly sand these edges where it came up a little bit. Now this one I can't demold because it's got like, I'm going to say in a couple of spots almost a 1/4 inch. So what I'm going to do is I have a bunch of these wave molds, and what I'm going to do is mix up a little bit of white. See, they make this, and I got 4 of them now, and because I want to do some more beach keychains, and these things are perfect for it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these right here. Wait a minute. These right here. Get my cup out. Get my gloves on. I'm going to pause it, and I'll be back with the mixed resin. Okay, I am back, and all I put in there was the casting craft white. I'll spit it out yet. It's the first day with my new mouth, okay? Okay, because I'm going to top that the bottom of that other mold off with some white, since it was white and green in there. And then I'm going to use the rest of the white for those. And I got another bulldog mode, and I may end up, if I have some left over, I may end up putting some of it in there with another one. I don't know yet. Okay, there's that mixed up. Let me show you real quick. Here is the giveaway with this video. There is they're both folk art treasure gold line. This one is platinum and this one is aquamarine. Okay, and winner does pay shipping. Make a comment below, and later this week I will pick out a winner. Okay. Oh, and in case anybody's wondering, I got my I actually got a dehumidifier this morning, okay? And I've had it on for a couple hours. And I also got the fan blowing over here. So I am hoping that the fan and that get rid of the humidity, so I don't end up with sticky resin that's sweating. Okay, very carefully trying to get a little bit more in here. You don't want to overfill. Okay, there we go. Now the bottom of him is full. Always use something with heat to pop the bubbles. But I don't recommend a torch. This is basically just, let me turn it off. This is basically just a heat embossing gun, and it works good. Oops, I got a little bit over the edge. Okay, let me set him off to the side. Now, these are not that hard to do. What I do is I put a little bit of resin on it, okay, and then I'm going to use the side of a stick to get it into all the little cracks and crevices. to make that, to fill it in to make that design. Okay, let's see. There's a stick. There's a stick, as the jalapeno stick says. Stick. Okay. And basically you just do this to get it into the cracks and crevices and off the top. You might have to put a little bit more on it if it doesn't fill it in places. Okay, that one looks good. Now these little shallow, very, very shallow molds don't really need the heat gun, okay? Because you shouldn't be getting air bubbles. But you know what? If you got an air bubble in there and it made a separation, it would look like it belongs. I can't get this thing up or to slide. Okay, now let me fill this one. Just put some resin down. And then slowly bring it over here to cover these, and then do it this way. And of course it needs more, but you don't want to put too much in, okay? And I will try to remember to put the link down below. I got these off of Temu, and what's so neat about them is you can get some wave lacing without having to worry about blowing a bunch of resin around. Will it lace? Will it sell? You know, this makes a very, very cute lacing. Oh, sorry, I had a itchy nose and had to find a clean spot to clean it, to wipe it. Okay, okay, there we go. Because you don't want to wipe your hands when you got resin on your gloves. Right, everybody? You don't. Hey, you get resin in your nose and you may not be able to breathe later. That's just a joke. Don't get resin in your nose. Okay, there we go. Just basically dabbing it on. Okay, and then using my stick to smooth it out so it goes into the cracks and crevices of the design. Get it? Yeah. Well, I need a little bit more over here. I can see it's not exactly in the crevices here. Okay. See, it's a little thick right there, so you just want to take your stick and scrape it. There we go. But I see some missing out of these little crevices. Okay. Don't worry about it being in the middle of these dots, because this is the one that I just finished that dried. What happens is it pulls up on top of those dots, and you just, after you pull your other piece out, you can just scrape these off. Or use tape, but I don't have any tape handy. Besides, me trying to unroll a piece of tape and tear it off with gloves on doesn't work, because the tape wants to fight me because I got gloves on. Okay, well, that's good enough. It's in the middle, so it's not going to affect the overall other design in the crevices. It's in the middle of all these holes that the crevices make. Okay. Okay, just basically scooch it out, get it in the crevices. Okay, a little bit more. See, I don't like putting too much on, because what happens is then you end up just wasting it by sliding it off the side, because you don't need it anymore anywhere else on here, and I don't like wasting, so I do it slower. Okay, let's see. Yeah, you need some there, you need some there. Okay, now those will dry, and basically I'm gonna mix up some more resin, but I'm not gonna do it on camera. I'll mold this next Saturday. I'm gonna do some different color in it. So anyway, listen. Okay, this is today's giveaway. Okay, I'll put a close-up photo in there. Okay, I also am going to add a photo of my cat, who has turned so lazy in this weather, and you're going to laugh when you see how Kelsey sleeps now. Anyway, so listen, keep an eye on my channel. I'll do it Thursday or Friday. I'll draw a winner. Winner pays shipping. You get that. If I owe you a package, it can just go in there with those. Okay? So anyway, so listen, thanks for coming out and sharing some time, spending some time with me. I think Elisa's little bulldoggy came out cute. It's turquoise and white, like she likes it. Well, dark turquoise. And then I'll unmold the other stuff next Saturday. So all I can say is shout out to my grands, Devin, Alyssa, Tony, Jameson, Marley, and Ribbon. Grandma loves you, and all I can say is bye for now. Love you, Bentley. Wink, wink.